That was easy.
Hmm?
That was easy.
Okay. When you will get the marks? When you will get the marks? Okay. Right. We are starting a new chapter. It is called quadrilaterals. Your school started which chapter now?
So class is not started yet.
Why today holiday?
Yes, sir. It will
Yes,
start
sir.
on Monday.
Why Puja holidays?
Sir, they gave a 1-day break.
Okay, that's only. Okay, so you didn't ask me any break.
For Sundays holidays, for the study leave.
Your voice is not clear at all. Okay. So, quadrilaterals, write the chapter name, quadrilaterals. Okay, what do you mean by quadrilateral? What is the meaning? Quad, what is the meaning? No. Quad, what is the meaning? Eh?
The
Sir,
four.
figure having
The
4
four.
sides.
4. Quad means 4. Quarter. Correct or no? Quarterly. It's a 4. Okay, and lateral means side. Okay, lateral means side. Lateral side and okay, a quadrilateral is a closed figure. Look like this. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. Okay. How many sides here? Hello. 4 side. Okay, 4 side, 4 angle. Correct or no? 4 side and 4 angles. A, B, C, D are angles. Side A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A. Okay, then this A, B, B, C are adjacent sides. B, C, and C, D also adjacent side. C, D, and D adjacent side. A, D, and A, B adjacent side. What do you call A, B, and D, C?
Parallel.
Parallel. How come parallel?
Opposite.
Opposite. It is called opposite sides. AB and CD are opposite side. AD and BC are opposite sides. Okay. Then what do you call this one? What do you call that?
Diagonal. Diagonals.
Diagonal. Okay. So a quadrilateral, a 4-sided figure, closed figure. Okay. It's a closed, right? A, B, C, D, A. That means it's a closed figure. Okay. Then, okay, 4 vertex there is, 4 angles there is, okay. Then 2, okay, 2 diagonals. Okay, draw this figure. Okay, right. The word chord means, the word chord, Q-U-A-D, means 4. And the word lateral means, and the word lateral, L-A-T-E-R-A, lateral means sides. Then a quadrilateral is a closed figure. A quadrilateral is a closed figure. A quadrilateral is a closed figure by joining 4 points. By joining 4 points. Lateral means Rishabh, lateral means sides. Rishabh, lateral means sides. Okay, a quadrilateral is a closed figure by joining 4 points. By joining 4 points in order. 4 points joining in order. In bracket, right? With no 3 points collinear. With no 3 points collinear. Collinear means what? Collinear, what's the meaning?
They're forming a straight line.
Straight line. So that means here, see, A, B, C, it's not a collinear. Okay. Then, you don't know? Then the points, right. This figure, right. AB, the line segment AB, BC, CD, DA are called sides. AB, BC, CD, DA are called sides. The points A, B, C, D are called its vertices. The points A, B, C, D are called vertices. Okay. That means a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay. Then 2 line segment AC and BD are called diagonals. 2 line segment AC and BD are called diagonals.
So can you repeat?
Okay. AC and BD are called diagonals. Okay. Then, right. Next one, adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. The 2 sides of a quadrilateral are adjacent sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are adjacent sides if they have a common point. If they have a common point. You understood what I said?
So can you
Yes,
repeat
sir.
what you said?
2 sides of a quadrilateral. Two sides of a quadrilateral are adjacent sides if they have a common point.
Yes, sir.
Like, look at here, AB and BC, B common. BC and CD, C common. CD and DA, D common. DA and AB, A common, like that. Clear now? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So write AB, comma, BC, one set. AB and BC, comma, AB and BC, comma, BC and CD, comma, CD and DA, comma, DA and AB are adjacent sides. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat again?
AB and CD, comma, BC, sorry, AB and BC, comma, BC and CD, comma, CD and DA, and DA and AB are adjacent sides. Like AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB are adjacent sides. Okay, now clear now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then write opposite sides. Opposite sides. Opposite sides. Opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides if they have no common endpoints. 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 Okay, right. AB and CD. AB and CD, comma, BC and DA are opposite sides. Are opposite sides. Okay, read up to here.
Sir,
can
can
you
you
repeat?
repeat the last sentence?
Last sentence, AB and CD, comma, BC and AD are opposite sides. Okay. Check now, so far what you wrote, just read it all. Okay. Okay. You read? Okay. Okay. Okay, Anaga. So we just started quadrilaterals. Okay. Quadrilateral, a closed four-sided figure. Then four vertices, four angles, four sides, and two diagonals. Okay. Then at adjacent sides, AB and BC adjacent sides, BC and CD adjacent side, CD and DA adjacent side, DA and AB adjacent side. Adjacent side means they have a common point, like AB and BC, B common, BC and CD, C common, CD and DA, D common, like that. Then opposite sides, there is no common, AB and CD, BC and AD. Clear now? Okay, now next one, listen, consecutive angles. Consecutive angles means what? Angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, D and angle A, right? Consecutive angles. Consecutive angles, angle A, angle B, angle B, angle C, angle A and B, angle A and angle B, comma, angle B and angle C, comma, angle C and angle D, comma, angle D and angle A. Okay. Okay. After that, opposite angles. Opposite angles. Angle A and angle C. Angle B and angle D. Okay. Okay, clear now? So these are the common factors of the, then another thing. When we add all the angles in a quadrilateral, what happens? When we add all the angles in a quadrilateral, what will happen? Hey, come on.
The sum is 540.
360
No. Look at here, look at here. A quadrilateral, how many triangles here?
Sir, 2.
Two triangles.
Two
One triangle total how much?
180.
180. Two triangle means what? 540. Okay, right. The sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of three angles of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of three angles of a quadrilateral is 360. The sum of three angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, I'll show you. Not right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Then in triangle ADC, angle 6 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Again, angle sum property of a triangle. Add on. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 360. Okay, 1 and 6 together I wrote. Angle 1 plus angle 6 together plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 together plus angle 5 equal to 360. So 1 plus 6 angle A, angle B plus angle C, okay, plus angle D equal to 360. Okay, copy this one. Okay, right fast. Okay. Finish or no?
No, sir.
Okay. And today is a basic class only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So these are the common characters of quadrilaterals. Once again, I tell you, a four-sided closed figure. A quadrilateral has four sides, four angles. Then we learn adjacent sides. Adjacent side means there will be a common point like AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB. Opposite side, no common point, AB and DC, BC and AD. Then a diagonal, AC and BD are two diagonals. Then we learn angle sum property of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Is it okay all? Ananya, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write the question. Three angles of a quadrilateral, three angles of a quadrilateral, three angles of a quadrilateral are respectively three angles of a quadrilateral, three angles of a quadrilateral are respectively equal to 110, 110, 50, 40 and 50. 110, 50 and 40. Sorry, 110, 50 and 40. Find the fourth angle. Okay.
So, could you repeat after quadrilateral?
110, 50 and 40. Listen, last class our test question. Now there is one question. It just came for your test, your exam also. Like this one question. No? This angle is given. This equal to this one. You got it, no?
Yes.
Okay. Last test I asked this question.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, the three angles of a quadrilateral are 110, 50 and 40. Find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angles.
Sir, can you repeat the question again?
Who this one?
Sir, Harish, sir.
Okay. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 110, 50 and 40.
I got it, sir.
Okay. Find the fourth angle. Yeah, you got the marks?
Sorry, sir.
You got the marks?
Yes, sir.
How much you got?
1 second.
Okay. You forgot your mark. Kevin? Okay, but you know the marks. Navadeep?
Sir, 73.5
Out of
80, sir.
Okay. Navdeep, no.
70.5 out of 80.
Okay. Neera, your exam's over?
Yes, sir.
How's it?
It was okay, sir.
But circle also there was, right? No?
Yes, sir. But the portion was same.
Okay, okay. Then send me your answer, question, sorry, question paper, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then okay. So okay. So what the answer this one?
160 degrees.
160.
Okay. 160. Anubhava, you got?
Yes, I got 160.
Okay. Next one. In a quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles A, B, C, and D are in the ratio 1:2, 2:4, 4:5. In a quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles A, B, C, and D are in the ratio 1:2, 2:4:5. 1:2, 4:5. Find the angles. Okay. In a quadrilateral, the angles are 1:2, 4:5. Find the angles. Okay. Find the angles.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay. So what the answer?
Done, sir.
30,
Sir,
60.
30, 60, 120, and
30, 60,
150.
120.
Okay. So okay. Okay. So next question. Various types of quadrilaterals. Various types of quadrilaterals. Various types of quadrilaterals. Okay.
Done, sir. Like, there are only 8, right?
What 8?
8 quadrilaterals.
No. I didn't say anything. I just going to explain to you. Okay. Right.
Okay, I thought like it was the next question. We have
No.
to.
Various types of quadrilaterals. Various types of quadrilaterals. Okay. Okay. First one, trapezium. Right. First one, trapezium. First one, trapezium. Okay. This is the figure trapezium. Okay. Draw A with the pencil. Draw neatly. Okay. Okay. Siddharth and Vishal, why late? Hello. Siddharth. Siddharth and Vishal. How come you thought no classes? I already said no classes. Why? I already said last your Sunday. Correct or no? Then rest all guys join. And how they join?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Like, I didn't
No,
hear
you see, listen. Now you cannot. Now you leave the meeting because I already started the new chapter. Now do one thing. You check the YouTube. After that, you can join it. Okay. No, we cannot join now because I already started, man. The new chapter. You both are leave it now. Okay. Clear now? You check the YouTube and study the today's class because I already started. Now, how can I start from the beginning? It's a new chapter. Okay. Siddharth also. Okay. Not attend today. Okay, look at here. So, okay, this is a trapezium. Okay, trapezium means no, a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel sides. Look, this one AB parallel to DC. This is called trapezium. One pair of side is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel side is called a trapezium. Okay, draw this figure. Okay. Okay. Then write a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. Then write ABCD is a trapezium, right? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Okay. Okay. Draw this. Draw ABC is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Okay. Okay. Then isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium. A trapezium is said to be an isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are equal. 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 Okay, if its non-parallel sides are equal, that is, you write ABCD is a trapezium in which AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. Okay. Okay, that is called isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means what? Non-parallel sides are equal. Next one, parallelogram. Next one, parallelogram. Next one, a parallelogram having, parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a 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 parallelogram if both pair of opposite sides are parallel. If both pair of opposite sides are parallel. If both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Okay, here.
Sir, can you repeat the sentence once more, sir?
A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if both pair of opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. If its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. That means here draw this figure. AB parallel to DC. AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC.
Sir, can you repeat the sentence, sir?
A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. You heard or not? Hello? You heard or not? Can you hear me? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then draw this figure. Then write ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel DC and AD parallel to BC. AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Okay, draw first. Okay, finished now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one. So now I understood two figure understood trapezium and parallelogram. Okay. Then next one. Okay. Next, rhombus. Rhombus, a parallelogram having all sides equal. A parallelogram having all sides equal is called rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides equal is called a rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides equal is called a rhombus. Okay, draw another one. Then draw another figure and write AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay. Draw another figure, okay? Okay. So now what you wrote? Rhombus means a parallelogram having all sides are equal. It is called a rhombus. Okay. That means all the sides are equal. Next one, rectangle. Right. Rectangle. Okay. Rectangle. A parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle. A parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle. Okay. A parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle, it is a rectangle. Okay. So rectangle, draw a rectangle. Okay. Draw this one.
Sir, can you please repeat what you said for rectangle?
A parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle. A parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle is called rectangle.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Next one, square. Next one, square. A square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle with one pair of adjacent sides are equal. A square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle A square is a rectangle with one pair of adjacent sides is equal. Like this. ABCD is a square. Okay. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, 90. And AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, write this one.
Sir,
What?
sir, can you repeat the statement?
Statement: a square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle with a pair of adjacent sides equal. With a pair of adjacent sides equal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so now just read up to here. All the figures read up to here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just read it, then I'll conclude all. Okay. Okay, I'll explain again all. Listen all. Hello, listen all. Look at here. The first figure. Hello. The first figure. First figure. Trapezium. Okay. A, B, C, D. Trapezium means what? This is parallel. One pair parallel. What do you call? First figure, trapezium. Second figure, isosceles trapezium. That means AD equal to BC. In a trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal. It is called isosceles trapezium. This is okay or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at here. The first figure, figure number 1, trapezium. What? A pair of opposite side is parallel. In a quadrilateral, a pair of opposite side is parallel. It is called a trapezium. Then isosceles trapezium means in a trapezium, non-parallel sides are equal. It is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. Next one, we learn parallelogram. Parallelogram we learn later. This chapter itself. So many properties there is. Look. A, B, C is a parallelogram. That means this side parallel here. This side parallel here. Okay. This is a trapezium. Sorry, it is a parallelogram. Listen, all parallelograms are trapezium. Correct or no? All parallelograms are trapezium. But trapeziums are not parallelogram. Are you okay or not?
Sure.
All parallelograms are trapezium, but all trapeziums are not parallelogram. Clear now?
Yes,
Clear or
sir.
not?
Yes,
Because
sir.
trapezium definition means what? One pair parallel. That's only. Okay. Now, okay, the parallelogram here, AB parallel to DC, BC parallel to AD. Okay. Next figure, rhombus. Rhombus means in a quadrilateral, all sides are equal. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA.
Okay. Next, square. In a parallelogram, all angle, each angle 90 degree, like this. A, B, C, D. This is 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay. In a rectangle, adjacent sides are equal, like this. So that means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. That is called the square. Clear now? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more. There is kite. Right. Kite. A quadrilateral is a 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 kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides. A quadrilateral is a kite okay. A quadrilateral is a quadrilateral is a kite. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides and unequal opposite sides A quadrilateral is a kite. A quadrilateral is a kite. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of adjacent sides equal and unequal opposite sides. That means AB equal to AD. Okay, and BC equal to DC, but AB not equal to CD and AD not equal to BC. Okay, try this one.
So could you repeat the kite sentence again?
A quadrilateral is a kite. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides. A quadrilateral is a kite. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides. A quadrilateral is a kite if it has two pair of equal adjacent sides and unequal opposite side. Okay, then draw this one.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, wait. Okay, listen, but I have doubt about this kite. Kite not necessarily like this, correct? You seen the kite now, right?
Yes, sir.
Kite not necessarily like this. Kite can make like a fish also, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
mostly like this only. Okay. So now read today's note. Okay, because this figures you should thorough. Then only I can start next part. Okay, read all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll give you 10 minutes. Then you should thorough all the figures.
Sir, could you repeat the part when you relate parallelogram with a trapezium?
Which one?
Sir, you were telling something about trapezium and parallelogram, sir.
Parallelogram.
Yes, sir. You were telling.
No, all trapeziums, all parallelograms are trapezium. But trapezium definition is what? One pair is parallel. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. Both pairs are parallel. It is trapezium. It is a parallelogram. That way, rectangle, rhombus, square, all parallelogram family only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finish all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Read up to, okay. Then write a conclusion. Right. Not finished. I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
So we're going very slowly today because it's the basic ideas. Try to understand, don't by heart it. What is the square? What is the rectangle? What is the rhombus? What is the parallelogram? Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, wait. Okay, now write the conclusion. A square, rectangle, and rhombus are parallelogram. A square, a square, a square, comma, rectangle, and rhombus are parallelogram. Okay. You are
Can you
saying
repeat?
a square, rectangle, and rhombus are parallelograms. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Gulf Indian students, I'm sending a paper to you. You can check it. Okay. Only Gulf Indian only check. Okay. Hello, US Ray. Okay. Okay. A square, rectangle, and rhombus are parallelograms. Parallelogram is a trapezium. A parallelogram is a trapezium, but a trapezium is not a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a trapezium, but a trapezium is not a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a trapezium, but not a trapezium, but a trapezium is not a parallelogram. Next, rectangle, rhombus are not necessarily a square. A rectangle or a rhombus is not necessarily a square. A rectangle or a rhombus is not necessarily a square. Next, a kite is not a parallelogram. A kite is not a parallelogram.
So can you repeat the sentence you said before? A rectangular rhombus is not?
A rectangle or a rhombus is not a square. Rectangle or rhombus is not a square. Last one, a kite is not a parallelogram. A kite is not a parallelogram. A kite is not a parallelogram. Okay, now is it okay? Now I'm going to start the next section. Okay, the properties of parallelogram. Listen, that I'll do next class only. And listen, Sunday, Gulf Indian students exam when it is over. Hello, Gulf Indian. US Re. Hello, US Re. Farzana. Where this guy is all simply waiting? Farzana. They're not attending. Then why you just joining? Okay. Tia, your class, what are you doing now?
Quadrilaterals chapters, like the last exercise.
Oh, going to finish.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay. We will now next Sunday onwards. This is it will go fast. Okay, but not to hurry because you have quadrilaterals. Then one little lengthy chapter there is circle, then surface area. That's only.
Okay, sir.
Because today majority some guys are absent because of they thought they are holiday today. Puja holidays. You don't have puja keeping book and all. Hello.
No, sir.
Why? Some students requested me today they need a holiday, but I don't know. I'm late. They sent a message late. That's why. Otherwise, I should have a holiday today. My plan was like that, but they late only ask. They should ask before now. Okay. Anyway, listen, everyone, read this chapter up till here, not full. Okay. Anubama.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read this chapter, read the chapter plus our notebook, and before coming Sunday, keep it ready. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I can start next section. Okay. Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is enough today. Okay, this is enough today.